Nakita niyo na luya ko? Every day, I grow stronger. In serving the Father Almighty, non-stop. I never get tired. Kanang mo ingon nga, pahulay ta kay kapoy na ta. Silang tag-sacrifice, pahulay na ta kay kapoy. Doktrina ni Satanas na. Kung dunay kinanglan magpahulay diri, ako. Waga ni ko gikapoy, 5 years tamayong, 1 year kitbog. Wa ko gikapoy. Kungod kay, I am looking only to please the Father by doing His will. When you do that, you never get tired. You transcend the laws of physics. You transcend the dimensions of a physical being that is only limited by the physical existence of this world. You go and transcend beyond that. It is your spirit that is now dwelling in you who props you up to that strength that people will see you and cannot believe what you're doing because it is beyond the capacity of human beings to do what you are doing. You didn't do it yourself. You did it because